Hi, I'm Kim. I'm with 6260 Ohana, California, and today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for Bibbidi box. It's the Ultimate Magic box option, which is $119. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana. So I'm excited. This is December's box. I did curate a wish list, so I'm thinking if I got what I asked for, it's going to be a little different kind of month. We're still Christmas. And we definitely got this adorable little folder. I like these little folders from Bibbidi box. So it's have yourself a little Mickey Christmas. That's kind of cute. And then there's a little hidden Mickeys in the hollies. And a little Mickey driving his truck. So from our family's yours, wishing you a wonderful holiday season filled with warmth, happiness, and magic. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of your family. This box was carried and packed with love for us, for you. We hope you're able to bring a slice of joy and magic into your life this year. So do I. We look forward to what 2021 brings and wish you a happy new year ahead filled with even more magic. With love, Bibbidi family. So it has my packing slip, so we're gonna hide that little thing. And this month I didn't get a box, I got a bag. Okay, this is really weird. Okay. I got the holiday little pouch. I'm gonna lean back here. Sorry. Bag's kind of in the way. I asked for this pouch. I actually asked for there was a holiday option and I asked for option 2. So I'm gonna see if this is all option 2. But I also, just in case, just asked for some of the options. So we'll see which it turned out to be. But this cute little pouch with these little gingerbread Mickeys and candy apples, and I love it. Little trees. Okay, inside it's kind of blank. It just says Bibbidi inside. But I like this to put it in like a park backpack for the holidays. I thought it was cute. I like to kind of divvy my stuff up. So this would be like a perfect little makeup bag. Little loose stuff items like that. Ooh. Okay. I did ask for these. Alright, I got these adorable little Mickey, hidden Mickey holiday ears. Sorry, we'll get that out of the way. And they're kind of a velvety, but kind of a faux leather kind of ear. They're cute. I have to wait till next year to wear them now, but I know I don't match. But that's what they look like on. So I like my ears. So I think I did end up getting the option 2 for the Ultimate Magic box that I could option out for instead. This one I'm excited. Okay, so I also got it all. So far, stuff all came in this little reusable holiday Bibbidi bag, which is great. Reusable bags are fantastic. Actually, it's a great way to store my holiday items in for Disney when I'm not using them for the parks. Ooh, it's glittery. Once upon a Christmas time at Christmas. Okay, sorry, that was kind of a mouthful. And this is a Wishes candle. And it says, we hope you enjoy your treasure hunt. Always be sure to let the silver prize become fully visible and put out the flame before removal. Oh, it smells like Main Street. It smells sweet. Very sweet and holiday. Brad. I'm going to have Brad off to the side kind of smell this and tell me. This reminds me.
The bakeries?
The bakeries at Christmas. Oh, Hayden wants to come in too and smell this. What do you think, Hayden?
Glittery.
It's glittery. So the top is like a dust. Oops.
It's almost like a cinnamon roll. What'd you say?
Yeah, it is festive, and there's like a white glitter, but then the candle itself has red glitter, so it looks like it snowed on top of the red glitter. That's really pretty. Ooh, I actually want to burn that now. Okay, yeah, so I did get the option 2 because this is the last of it. And it is a huge, giant throw pillow holiday theme. I love cozy blankets during the holidays. I didn't plan this very well. But then again, I haven't ever needed scissors to open stuff.
There you go.
Ah, I just ripped it. Oh, it's soft and warm. Not that we get that cold in Southern California, but I like cozying up and watching my Disney movies, and so this is really pretty and all soft. The inside's just a white in the back, but I love this. It's got all this Christmas Mickey Tree Farm theme, just nice and cozy. I love cozy. All right, so the packing slip. So it was curated with love by Amanda. Thank you, Amanda. So the Bibbidi exclusive throw blanket, it's $45. The Mickey ear bands here are $30. That's a really great price for 30 bucks. The Wishes candle is $20. That's a good price for a candle, especially if it comes with a little prize inside. And then this little pouch is $35. Wow, that's a bit pricey for a pouch. So my total value of the box was $130. So I paid $119, so I definitely came up ahead. The one thing with Bibbidi is I've been at the end of their cycle, so it's been I got the holiday stuff after the holidays, which is fine. I'll definitely use this stuff next year. It's just gonna go pretty much into storage till then, except for the candle. The candle will get used right away because I don't care what time of the year it is. I will always put out Christmas scents or holiday scents. I don't care what time of year it is. I like it. I'm kind of weird like that. Do you guys put out holiday scents or pumpkin spice or stuff just any time of year, just when you need a little Christmas spirit? I don't know. Comment below. I'm curious. All right, so this is a really great box. I'm really happy with it. I got what I asked for, so I asked to substitute this gift package instead of the surprise item. So I knew what I was getting, so I really like it though. So it's kind of nice during the holidays to have options. They did something similar like this for Halloween. Maybe they'll do something like that for Valentine's Day. I don't know. I hope so, because I kind of like the themed. I just didn't jump in ahead of time quick enough for the Halloween. They tend to go kind of fast sometimes. So just something to think about. All right, so I think it's now time to say goodbye and find your magic. Bye everybody. Happy New Year.